Keep them active and light on their feet literally with this fun silhouette from Skechers. This sneaker uses a synthetic and textile upper. It's got a toe protector across the front made of synthetic to add lots of durability and a shield when they're outside playing. It has a light up system there in the side, and it can be controlled with a button on the opposite side so you can save power and turn them on and off. The unique lace up is made with a hook loop closure strap, and it's fully adjustable so you can loosen it or tighten it to what they need. And the inside lining is also textile to keep it breathable. There's a foam footbed in the bottom to offer some extra cushioning underfoot, and that midsole is EVA with that perforated design. It's going to allow it to have more shock absorption and a bouncy feel. The outsole is non-marking synthetic with some light textile flocking to give them a fantastic grip.